Hi, I'm Dr. Digest. Welcome to my lab. Something smells very good. Oh, I'm sorry. That's my stomach. I'm so hungry.
Ever wondered why your mouth waters when you smell something delicious, like pizza or curry? Let's find out why.
Well, what's actually happening is your saliva glands making saliva or spit, which makes food moist so it can move easily down your throat and into your esophagus.
Your teeth help tear and chew your food. Once it is smaller, you can easily swallow it.
Let's get going and find out more about this.
Wow, look at this.
This is the esophagus. It's a hollow muscular tube that carries food and liquid from your mouth to the stomach.
It only takes about 2 to 5 seconds for your food to be squeezed through this crazy tube. It is very squashy in here.
Oh, Hang on, what's that sound again? It doesn't smell too good in here.
So here in the stomach, your stomach muscles mix the food you have eaten and the drinks you drank with digestive juices and gastric acids.
This food stays in here churning for between 40 minutes and 2 hours, and it is broken down into smaller pieces.
Now all that gurgling makes sense. Look at the work that happens here. Let's keep going.
Where to next?
The next part of our journey is a bit of a squash. It's the small and large intestines. Did you know that muscles help work the food through?
No, it's more like a liquid. It can take between 2 to 6 hours to work through the small intestines. Next is where the magic happens.
Haha! Water is absorbed and voila! You've got poo.
It takes the body up to 36 hours to move all the way along the intestines and exit the body. Wow!
The final part of this digestive journey is not one to be filmed. Let's avoid the messy part, but in all